This week the shop is hard at work making the shelf pin and drawer slide template. And the first part of the tool that gets manufactured is the phenolic template base. The phenolic template is machined one at a time at a large CNC gantry mill. After the piece is cut to shape, the template holes are drilled along with the insets for spacers. Next, the tool is laser engraved with template guides. Laser engraving is a lengthy process, so this video is sped up over 1000% to show the complete process. Across the shop, we're working on the drill guide bushing. A state-of-the-art CNC lathe is set up with stainless steel stock to precisely turn these parts, using a few different tools to turn the piece. We're finishing up the stainless steel spacers as well. Here you see a machine operator pressing the pins into the part. The shelf pin and drawer slide template is well on its way in the shop, and we expect to start shipping soon, so if you already placed an order, look for yours soon. And stay tuned for more production updates to see what's going on in the shop.